In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for TikTok content fast and easy. Google Trends is a fantastic tool that can help you discover what's trending now, what was trending in the past, and what might be trending in the future. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how to utilize this tool to craft trendy TikTok content. Ready? Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Trends. You'll see a list of results, but the one you want to focus on is the official Google Trends link. Click on that and it will take you to the main page of the tool. Now here comes a neat trick that makes it incredibly useful for TikTok creators. Change the search type specifically to focus on TikTok content. This small adjustment will filter out unnecessary data, honing in on exactly what you need for creating content that resonates with TikTok audiences. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll notice a variety of options to explore trending topics. Click on the Explore button to take a closer look. Now, it's important to set your filters wisely to get the most out of this tool. First, adjust the location setting to either worldwide or your target country. If your audience is primarily local, you might want to choose your specific country. Otherwise, worldwide is a great option to see global trends. But we're not done yet. Another crucial setting is the time range. If you're looking to catch the latest viral trends, selecting past 7 days can give you quick insights into what's hot right now. On the other hand, if you're interested in content that maintains relevance over longer periods, choosing the past 12 months will help you find evergreen topics that are great for building content that stands the test of time. To further refine your search, navigate to the category section. Choose a category that closely aligns with your niche, such as technology, food, or sports. This will narrow down the results to show only what's relevant to your specific interests or expertise. After that, revisit the search type dropdown and verify that TikTok content is still selected. This step ensures your search results will be optimized for TikTok trends. Now for a powerful feature, use the plus compare option. This allows you to contrast different topics to see which one has more demand. It's an excellent way to gauge interest levels and decide which trend is worth pursuing. Simply click on the plus icon, type in your topics, and hit compare. The results displayed will give you insights into potential content ideas that can garner more views and engagement on TikTok. And there you have it. You've just unlocked the secret to using Google Trends for creating captivating TikTok content. With these tips at your disposal, you'll be churning out engaging and trendy TikTok videos in no time. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your content soar. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.